369 squared? Are you kidding me? Life's way too short to multiply that out. We have to find something smart to do here instead. Unfortunately, I don't know anything smart about dividing squares. But I do know something smart about multiplying squares. So I'm going to rewrite this division as a multiplication. This is just 369 squared times the reciprocal of 9 squared. And the reciprocal of 9 squared, well, that's just the square of the reciprocal of 9. This is a product of squares, and I know how to handle that. That's just the square of a product. And look at this product I'm multiplying by a reciprocal. Multiplying by a reciprocal, that's division. So this product is equal to 369 divided by 9. And that's an easy division to compute. 360 divided by 9 is 40. 9 divided by 9 is 1. So this is just 41 squared. And 41 squared, that's 1681. What's that? Oh, how'd I know 41 squared is 1681? I used my super secret squaring technique. Maybe I'll show that to you later, but first, let's look back at what we did here. We started off with one square divided by another. And in the end, we got the square of a division. Now there's nothing special about 369 and 9 in all of these steps. See what happens if we start with any two numbers. Well, almost any two numbers. A squared divided by b squared, we can't have b be 0. B can't be 0 because no division by 0. So start off just like before. Turn this division into a multiplication. A squared times the reciprocal of b squared. And the reciprocal of b squared, well, that's just the square of the reciprocal of b. Product of squares, we know how to deal with that. Square of a product. And look at that product. A times the reciprocal of b, that's just a divided by b. And sure enough, you take a squared, you divide by b squared, you get the square of a divided by b. Now, if you look closely at all these steps, there's nothing special about the 2's. We can take all the 2's, replace them all with 3's, and all the steps are still the same. And we'll see that a cubed divided by b cubed is the cube of a divided by b. And if we go through and replace all the 2's with any positive integer n, just go through and change all these 2's into n's, we'll see that a to the nth divided by b to the nth is the nth power of a divided by b. And we're done. What? What's that? What? Oh! My super secret squaring technique. Well, if I told you my technique, it wouldn't be secret anymore now, would it? But I will give you a hint. We were squaring 41, right? Well, squaring 41, that's the same thing as squaring 40 plus 1. See if you can figure it out from there.